I bet you didn't know just how easy it is to earn online as a web designer. Let me show you the ropes. First up, freelancing platforms. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines. Create a killer profile, show off your best work, and start bidding on projects. Next, think about creating themes and templates. Platforms like ThemeForest let you sell your designs to thousands of customers. Design once, get paid over and over. Don't overlook the power of teaching. Websites like Udemy or Skillshare are perfect places to share your knowledge and earn. Build a course and let the passive income roll in. How about affiliate marketing? Partner with web hosting companies and earn commission for every client you refer. Lastly, consider offering monthly retainer services. Many businesses need ongoing support. This means stable, recurring income for you. So there you have it. Freelance, sell templates, teach, affiliate marketing, and retainers. Start today and watch your bank account grow. Happy designing.